Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Project Complete. So as you may infer from the headline of the video, the truck was in fact smashed into right out front of my house. He did hit and run, so that's nice. Really it's mostly just the paint. As you can see, this was all dented in right here. And it is scratched, the paint is scratched, but most of it is popped out. The guy did a pretty good job, and then you can see up along the light right here, and this was all kind of pushed in, and then he also cracked the tail light. This video is all about these tail lights. These are the Raxiom tail lights from AmericanTrucks. I will try and post a link to them so you guys have them if you like them. I am a fan of more of a clean looking truck. I don't know, some people don't like it, some people really like the full LED look. So that's what this video is all about, getting these new taillights installed. This bulb doesn't work, so let's go pick up some new bulb. Also, it looks like when they did maybe my backup camera, they use these stupid pinch connectors. Looks like it cut the positive line to the rear brake light, so let's fix that as well. All right, so here's what we got. We got 4 brake and turn, the same bulb apparently. There's the number for you. 2 backup. All right, so first thing I do is fix this connection of the positive terminal right here with these stupid snap connectors that I use. So I use these guys right here. They're waterproof, solderless connectors. They have hot glue on both ends, and use a heat gun to shrink them. So real quickly, I did want to go over these taillights for you guys. I personally really like the look of the stock taillights, which I think these taillights just nailed. If you'd like to check them out, all the links to anything I use in the video is down in the description below for you. Also, I know that a lot of you guys have subscribed to the channel for the boat videos that I do, and it is early spring, so a lot of those videos will be coming up soon for you. So if you can, make sure to hit the subscribe and the thumbs up button for me. It really helps us grow. Thank you guys for watching.